HTML basics. HTML hypertext markup language is the code that is used to structure a web page and its content. For example, content could be structured within a set of paragraphs, a list of bullet points, or using images and data tables. As the letter suggests, this article will give you a basic understanding of HTML and its functions. And next we discuss. So what is HTML? HTML is a markup language that defines the structures of your content. The HTML consists of a series of elements which you use to enclose or wrap different parts of the content to make it appear a certain way or act a certain way. The enclosing text can make a word or image hyperlink to somewhere else, can initialize words, can make the font bigger or smaller, and so on. For example, take the following line of content. Marking of text. This section will cover some of the essential HTML elements you will use for marking up the text. Headings. Headings elements allow you to specify that certain parts of your content are headings or subheadings in the same way that a book has the main title, chapter titles, and subtitles, and HTML documents can too. HTML contains 6 headings levels H1 to H6, although you will company only use 3 to 4 at most. H1 my main title H1, H2 my top level heading H2, and H3 my subheadings H3 and H4 my subheading in H4. So this is the and paragraphs. As explained above, the elements are for containing paragraphs of text. You will use these frequently when marking up regular text content. This is a single paragraph and copy to clipboard. Add your sample text. You should have it from what will your website look like into one or few paragraphs placed directly below your image element. List. A lot of the web content is lists, and HTML has special elements for these. Marking up lists always consist of at least 2 elements. The most common list types are order and unordered list. Unordered lists are for lists where the order of the items does not matter, such as a shopping list. These are wrapped in a UL tag elements. Order lists are for lists where the order of the items does matter, such as receipt. These are wrapped in a OL element. Links. Links are very important. They are what makes the web. To add a link, we need to use a simple element, being the short form for anchor to make text within your paragraphs into a link below. These steps. Choose some text. We choose the text Mozilla manifesto. Wrap the text in an element as shown below. Links. Links are very important. They are what makes the web a web. To add a link, we need to use a simple element, a being the short form for anchor to make text within your paragraph into a link. Follow these steps. Choose some text. We choose the text Mozilla manifesto. Wrap the text in an A element as shown below. Thank you so much for discussing in this section.